Every year after the age of 60, you naturally lose about 1–2% of your muscle mass. It may not sound like much, but over time, it becomes the reason many seniors struggle to walk, carry bags, or even stand up without help. But here's the truth, muscle loss is not inevitable. In fact, you can slow it, even reverse it, with one simple food added to your daily routine. Today, I'm going to reveal what that food is, why your muscles need it, and how you can protect your strength for years to come naturally. Muscle isn't just about looking strong. It's what protects your joints, stabilizes your balance, and supports your heart and bones. When seniors lose muscle, they lose independence. They become more prone to falls, fractures, and fatigue. But here's the good news. Your body can rebuild muscle at any age when given the right building blocks. Muscle loss in seniors isn't just from aging. It's made worse by a low-protein diet, lack of movement, too much sugar and processed food, medications that block nutrient absorption. Many people are eating enough calories, but not enough nutrition. The body starts to break down what it can't rebuild.
When people ask me, if you had to pick just one healing food for older adults, what would it be? My answer is always the same: homemade bone broth. This isn't some trendy superfood or overpriced supplement. It's a simple, time-tested remedy that nourishes the body deeply, right down to the cells. Why is it so powerful, especially as we age? Because bone broth contains the exact raw materials your body needs to repair: collagen, gelatin, proline, glycine, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all in a form your body can actually absorb. You see, after age 50, our natural collagen production starts to decline. That's when people start noticing changes: stiff joints, weaker muscles, sagging skin, and slower digestion. It's not aging, it's depletion. But when you sip a cup of real bone broth each day, made from pasture-raised bones, slow-simmered for 12 to 24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar to draw out the minerals, you're feeding your tissues what they've been missing. Bone broth helps rebuild connective tissue, strengthens joints, improves skin elasticity, supports gut lining repair, and even calms the nervous system. Barbara often says, the body is designed to heal, but it needs the right tools. Bone broth gives it the tools. And it's so easy to make. Just take leftover chicken bones or beef marrow bones if you can find them. Add herbs like rosemary and thyme, a few garlic cloves, a chopped onion, some carrots, and water. Bring to a boil, then simmer gently, low and slow. Over time, you'll notice a difference: better digestion, less joint pain, fewer sugar cravings, even deeper sleep. Some seniors say they feel 5, even 10 years younger after just a few weeks. It's not magic. It's simply what happens when you give your body the nourishment it's been asking for. So if you're over 60 and looking for one habit that supports your bones, muscles, skin, gut, and immune system all at once, start with a warm, healing cup of bone broth. Because the best medicine doesn't come in a bottle. It comes from your own kitchen.
But bone broth alone is not enough. Think of it as the bricks for rebuilding your house. Strong, nourishing, essential. But without a builder, the bricks just sit there. Gentle, consistent movement is that builder. It tells your body, yes, this muscle is still needed. Let's keep it. Let's strengthen it. And the best part? You don't need a gym, you don't need fancy equipment, and you don't need to push yourself to exhaustion. As Barbara O'Neill often reminds us, the body responds to use, not abuse. That means light daily walks, stretching in the morning sun, lifting light weights or grocery bags with purpose, even rising from a chair slowly and mindfully. All of this signals your muscles to stay alive. These small, steady actions improve circulation, boost your lymphatic system, enhance balance, and reduce your risk of falls, which is one of the greatest threats to independence after 60. And it goes deeper than just the physical. Movement helps regulate blood sugar, manage blood pressure, and lift your mood. When paired with nutrient-dense foods like bone broth, leafy greens, and healthy fats, you create the perfect environment for repair. Muscle is not just for looking fit, it's an organ of longevity. It supports your metabolism, protects your bones, and even plays a role in brain health. So don't think you're too old, too weak, or too far gone. Every step you take, every meal you improve, every ounce of effort, it all adds up. Your body doesn't need perfection. It just needs you to show up. Start with what you can do it often, and trust the process.
Here are a few other foods I recommend for seniors to protect and restore muscle mass. Now, let's dive deeper into one of nature's most powerful and complete foods, eggs, especially the yolks. For years, eggs got a bad rap because of cholesterol fears, but modern research shows that eggs are not just safe but incredibly beneficial, especially for seniors. The yolk is a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to maintain and repair muscle tissue. Plus, it contains healthy fats that support brain health, vitamin D for bone strength, and choline, which is vital for nerve and muscle function. These nutrients work together to help keep your muscles strong and your mind sharp as you age. Unlike many protein powders or supplements, eggs are whole foods, easy to digest, readily absorbed, and affordable. Barbara O'Neill recommends incorporating eggs regularly into your diet, suggesting they're a perfect way to boost your protein intake without the artificial additives found in processed products. Cooking them softly, whether scrambled, boiled, or poached, helps preserve their nutrients and keeps them gentle on your stomach. And if you can, choose free-range or pasture-raised eggs, which offer higher omega-3 content and better overall quality. So don't shy away from eggs. Embrace them as a delicious, natural way to nourish your muscles and support overall health well into your golden years.
Let's dive deeper into lentils and legumes, a powerhouse food group that seniors should absolutely embrace. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, and other legumes are more than just tasty additions to your meals. They're nutritional champions packed with high-quality plant-based protein. This protein is essential for maintaining and rebuilding muscle mass, which becomes increasingly important as we age, to prevent weakness, support mobility, and reduce the risk of falls. But their benefits don't stop there. Lentils and legumes are rich in dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome plays a vital role in overall immunity, reducing inflammation, and even supporting mental health, all key for aging gracefully. These foods also offer an impressive array of vitamins and minerals critical to seniors' health, including iron, which helps carry oxygen to your muscles and brain, magnesium, important for muscle function and heart health, and folate, which supports brain function and cellular repair. What's more, legumes are naturally low in saturated fat and contain zero cholesterol, making them excellent choices for heart health and managing blood sugar levels, especially important for seniors dealing with or trying to prevent diabetes. Barbara O'Neill often highlights the versatility of lentils and legumes in a senior's diet. They can be easily added to soups, stews, salads, or even mashed into spreads and veggie patties. Their mild flavor makes them perfect for combining with herbs and spices, creating delicious, nutrient-dense meals without any fuss. Incorporating lentils and legumes regularly can provide steady energy throughout the day, support muscle recovery, and contribute to balanced blood sugar levels. All of this helps seniors maintain independence and a higher quality of life. So whether you're preparing a comforting lentil soup, a fresh chickpea salad, or a hearty bean stew, remember, you're giving your body a powerful natural tool to stay strong, healthy, and vibrant. Now let's talk about pumpkin seeds, small but mighty nutrition powerhouses that seniors should definitely include in their diet. These little seeds are packed with magnesium, zinc, and protein, all crucial nutrients that support muscle health, immune function, and overall well-being as we age. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation, nerve function, and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. For many older adults, magnesium deficiency is common and can contribute to muscle cramps, fatigue, and even heart problems. Adding pumpkin seeds to your snacks or meals is an easy way to boost your magnesium intake naturally. Zinc is another superstar mineral found in pumpkin seeds. It supports a strong immune system, helps wounds heal faster, and is important for maintaining taste and smell, senses that often diminish with age. Plus, zinc contributes to healthy skin and DNA repair, keeping you feeling and looking your best. And don't forget the protein. While pumpkin seeds aren't a complete protein on their own, they provide a plant-based boost that helps repair muscles and tissues. Protein is vital for seniors to maintain strength, balance, and energy throughout the day. One of the best things about pumpkin seeds is how versatile they are. Sprinkle them over salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Toss a handful into smoothies or enjoy them roasted as a satisfying snack. Just a small handful a day is enough to start reaping the benefits. So next time you want a nutritious crunch, reach for pumpkin seeds. They're a simple, tasty way to support your muscle health, immunity, and overall vitality.
Oats are a powerhouse food, especially for seniors looking to protect and energize their muscles. As we age, maintaining steady energy throughout the day becomes crucial, and oats provide just that thanks to their unique nutritional profile. Packed with complex carbohydrates, oats release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, providing a steady stream of energy that helps your muscles perform and recover without the spikes and crashes that sugary foods can cause. This slow-burning fuel is ideal for anyone over 60 who wants to stay active, whether that's walking, gardening, or simply keeping up with daily activities. But the benefits don't stop at energy. Oats are an excellent source of soluble fiber, particularly a type called beta-glucan, which promotes healthy digestion and supports a balanced gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better absorption of nutrients, including those vital for muscle repair, like amino acids and minerals. Speaking of minerals, oats contain magnesium and iron, two essential nutrients for muscle function. Magnesium plays a critical role in muscle contraction and relaxation, helping prevent cramps and supporting recovery after exercise. Iron is essential for the transport of oxygen in your blood, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay strong and energized. Oats are also rich in plant-based protein, which contributes to muscle maintenance and repair. While they don't contain all the essential amino acids like animal proteins, when combined with other plant proteins like nuts, seeds, or legumes, they create a complete protein profile that supports muscle health. One of the best things about oats is their versatility. You can enjoy a warm bowl of steel-cut or rolled oats in the morning, topped with antioxidant-rich berries, a sprinkle of ground flaxseed, and a handful of nuts or pumpkin seeds to boost protein and healthy fats. Or blend oats into smoothies for a creamy texture and sustained energy. For savory options, oats can be added to soups or made into oat cakes for a satisfying snack. By making oats a regular part of your diet, you're giving your body a nutrient-rich, slow-release energy source that supports muscle strength, digestion, and overall well-being. It's a simple, affordable, and delicious way to help your muscles stay energized and resilient as you age. So whether you're starting your day or looking for a wholesome snack, think oats, a timeless food to fuel your strength and keep you moving comfortably. Leafy greens are true nutritional powerhouses, packed with essential minerals that your body needs to stay strong and active as you age. When it comes to muscle health and nerve function, these greens are absolutely vital. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are loaded with magnesium, potassium, and calcium, minerals that play a crucial role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Magnesium, for example, helps your muscles to relax after contracting, preventing cramps and stiffness that can limit your mobility. Potassium works hand in hand with sodium to regulate your muscles and nerves, ensuring smooth communication between your brain and your body. But that's not all. These greens also contain important antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin K, which reduce inflammation and support healthy blood flow. Better circulation means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients, helping them recover faster after physical activity and reducing fatigue. For nerve function, leafy greens provide B vitamins like folate and B6, which are essential for nerve repair and the production of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that keep your nervous system working efficiently. This can help maintain coordination, balance, and overall muscle control. Incorporating leafy greens into your daily meals is easy and delicious. Add fresh spinach to your morning smoothie, toss kale into a salad, or sauté Swiss chard with garlic and olive oil as a tasty side dish. No matter how you enjoy them, these greens nourish your muscles and nerves, helping you stay strong, flexible, and energized. So, if you want to support your muscle health naturally, make leafy greens a regular part of your diet. Your body will thank you with improved strength, better movement, and a sharper mind.
Muscle loss isn't simply a normal part of aging. It's often a clear signal that your body isn't getting the nutrition and care it truly needs. But here's the good news. Your body is always working behind the scenes to heal and rebuild itself. If you provide the right fuel and the right movement, it will respond. Think of bone broth, a rich, natural source of collagen and amino acids that your muscles and joints crave. Add to that real, whole food protein from eggs, legumes, and leafy greens, and you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair and strengthen. But nutrition is only one piece of the puzzle. Gentle daily movement, whether it's a short walk, some light stretching, or simple strength exercises, sends a powerful message to your muscles. Use me, build me, keep me strong. These simple, consistent habits, nourishing your body from the inside and staying active, can add years of mobility and independence to your life. They help you move more freely, reduce the risk of falls, and enjoy everyday activities without pain or weakness. So don't wait for muscle loss to define you. Start today. Your body hasn't given up on you, not even close. Now it's your turn to show up for it. Nourish it, move it, love it. The payoff? A stronger, healthier you for years to come.
If this helped you, give the video a like. It lets us know you care about healing naturally. Tell us in the comments, have you tried bone broth or other collagen-rich foods? What's your favorite way to stay strong? And don't forget to subscribe for more natural senior health wisdom inspired by Barbara O'Neill's lifelong work in holistic healing.